Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WhatsApp ads. Quite a lot of number of people are not aware that you can now run ads from your WhatsApp business, drive sales traffic from Facebook, Instagram, and likewise in WhatsApp direct to your DM without any stress to boost and grow your business in WhatsApp. Let me quickly show you on how to run WhatsApp ads in WhatsApp business. For everyone that are using Android phone or iPhone, if you are using Android phone, just go to your Play Store and make sure you search for WhatsApp Business. If you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store and search for WhatsApp Business. After a successful search for WhatsApp Business, download and install it, register with your phone number, and then open up the WhatsApp right here. So I'm going to open up my WhatsApp Business. It's going to look like this. Then after open up your WhatsApp Business, for you to create an ad, all you have to do is to simply click on these two right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down until you get to advertise right here. Go ahead and click on advertise. So create ads that leads to WhatsApp. Just like so, then it's going to take you right here. So by default, your profile picture in WhatsApp is going to be used as your ad media. However, you can change the media for the ads. For that, go ahead and click on choose other media right here. When you choose other media, it's going to take you to your upload photos or video from gallery or take a live video or photo. Everything depends on you. However, I'm going to use the profile picture as the case may be. So I'm going to go back right here. And the next thing you want to do, you can see WhatsApp ad right here. And the next thing you can do is to go ahead and click on get started. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do, confirm your Facebook account to this. Go ahead and click on continue. Just like so. Show people what you offer. Ad with description can lead to more customers. Scroll down right here and enter your description. So you can click on this pencil icon and enter your descriptions right here. I'm going to leave my description as it is, but I'll click on save right here. So click on save for your description, and then you can as well add a carousel image, which allow you to add multiple image for your ad or video. For that, click on this pencil icon or edit icon right here, and this will allow you to add multiple or edit your image as the case may be. In this regard, I'm going to leave it in this way. I'm going to click on here to accept. And the next thing we want to do right here, once you are able to satisfy with every settings right here, scroll down right here and then simply click on next right here. So choose who should see your ads. Select your audience to target the right people. Suggested audience, use Advantage Plus audience to find most people likely to engage with your ad. Here, you can use automatic audience from Instagram, or better still create on new audience right here. Go ahead and click on create new audience. So here, you have a new audience entirely right here. Then what you want to do right here is to go ahead and then start from the location. So go ahead and click on location. Then you can choose which region and area you want your audience to come from. Click on this pencil icon right here. Then here you can choose your location. So search right here, I can choose Oyo State right here. So everything depends on your location and the area you want to choose. So we have different location in Oyo State. I'm going to choose Oyo State, Nigeria, just like what you see right here. I have about 2 locations right here. I'm going to hit on save. Boom. We have Oyo State and Lagos State right here. So once you are done, come down below right here, go ahead and hit on save. Just like so. Now the maximum reach here is estimated reach here is between 450 to 1,400 at a particular actual amount. Okay, next thing we want to do is to go ahead and choose interest. Click on this pencil icon, choose the interest that align with your business. That will make your business engage more. In my own case here, my business align here is shopping and fashion. I'm going to click on that. Then here we have different options. We have shopping, retail, accessory, clothing, apparel, etc. Choose the one that is related to your business so that Only people that are interested in your business can engage with the ad, because those are the people the WhatsApp is going to show your ads to. So I'm going to click on clothing appeal right here, and then here you have men clothing, children clothing, shoes, footwear, women, and so on. I'm going to select on this. I'm going to select all this right here. Once I select everything right here, I'll click on here to go back. We have successfully selected on that, and go to go back right here. Just like so, we have everything being selected right here. We have other suggested right here that you can add as much as possible. This will make your ad go more viral to the people that are actually interested in what you are selling. Once you select as many as possible from the suggested options, then go ahead and hit on save right here. Boom. Now you have it right here. About 8+ more interest has been saved right here. Now you have to determine the age at which you want your ad to show to them. So I'm going to adjust from 18 years upward, from 25 years to 65 years. So I'm good with that. Then scroll down right here and determine if your ad should show to all gender, or men, or only women. So in my own case, I'm going to choose it in all gender. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and hit on save right here, and successfully save. You can see my new audience right here. You can edit. If you made a mistake during your audience, click on this pencil icon, edit and remove or delete as many as possible audience you are not interested in. Scroll down right here, then special requirement. Is your ad about financial product and service, employment, housing, social, election, or so you have less concern about that. Go ahead and hit on next right here, just like so. So from this point here, what is your ad budget? Here you have to tell WhatsApp the amount you want to spend per day for your ads. So go ahead and click on this pencil icon, which allow you to edit your budget. So you can decide to spend about 1,000 naira daily and hit on save. Then once you enter it, you'll be told the number of people you can reach based on your budget. Run this ad until I pause it. Run this ad for a set duration. Everything depends on you right here. So you can see, okay, then you can use this slider to control your ad budget right here, just like so. So I'm spending 1,500 per day, and then that will give me the total amount I'm spending in 10 days right here. However, you can reduce the number of days that you want to use to run the ad. For that, turn on control with this particular slider right here. So I can simply turn down and say I want to test run for 3 days. So for that 3 days, I'm spending the sum of 44,500 naira for 3 days at a month budget of 1,005 per day, and estimated reach is 1,000.1 people per day for this particular ad and budget. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and hit on next right here. Then here you go. Your ad is ready to go. Check you are happy with everything, then add your payment method. Then you can scroll down right here and make sure you read everything and you are good to go. So at this point right here, you make sure everything is fully correct. Then you have your payment method right here, which is your ad account automatically embedded, just like so. Then here you can review and check on everything that you have been doing so far before you go ahead and click on pay and create ad. You can as well check your ad preview. That will tell you how your ad is going to look like in the audience feed or in their news feed. Go ahead and click on this pencil icon. This allows you to see your ad preview, just like so. If you are satisfied with the ad preview, you are good to go. Click on see all preview of your ad, and then this is how your ad is going to be shown in WhatsApp. It's that simple. And for Instagram, click on here. This is how your ad is going to show in Instagram, just like so. And for Facebook, this is how your ad is going to show for Facebook, as the case may be, just like so. But for WhatsApp, this is how your ad is going to show in WhatsApp status. Once you are satisfied with everything, next thing you want to do is to simply click on here to go back, and then go ahead and click on save right here. It it means you are done. Then scroll down right here and make sure you click on pay and create ad and enter your payment method. Loading. Just like so, and you will be taken right here. Your available funds are low. You only have this amount of funding left in your ad account to run this ad. Add this particular amount of money. So for you to add in money, so enter the amount you want to add in right here, and the next thing you want to do is to choose your means of payment. You can either pay for ads in credit card or debit card. You can use pay by USSD. You can use pay in Naira with FAFU or Visa or MasterCard, or better still, you can pay with bank transfer. Whichever method you are okay with, just go ahead and make sure you choose any of the options right here, and then go ahead and click on next to make your payment. So if I'm choosing pay by bank transfer, I'm going to click on next right here, and in a few seconds it's going to load and show me the account detail to make payment into for my WhatsApp ads, just like what you see right here. So you just have to choose the option that is available for you and make your payment. Once your payment is done successful, then your ad will start running in WhatsApp. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about WhatsApp marketing like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.